Rolling action. Class start. Okay. This is class 12th. Okay. In last class, we took two examples and we understood how to draw SFD BMD. And today we will start again from very basic about SFD BMD. So just one small revision. If there is a cantilever beam and you have this kind of loading. So first of all, you guys tell me what is the name of this loading. Guys, tell me what is the name of this loading. Concentrated moment. Concentrated moment. Concentrated moment. Okay. Concentrated moment. And whenever you have concentrated moment, the entire moment will be same. Okay. Everywhere moment will be same. If this moment is of 5 Newton meter, everywhere you will be achieving 5 Newton meter. And this situation is known as, what is the name of this situation? Try to recall. What is the name of this situation? कौन बोला UDL? Who said UDL? Who said UDL? Come again? Okay. No. This phenomena. I am asking this phenomena. This phenomena is pure bending. This is pure bending. This phenomena is pure bending. In pure bending, you have concentrated load. Okay. In pure bending, you don't have shear stress. When you will draw the shear stress diagram, it will be flat line. On the 0 Newton line, it will be flat line. And when you will draw the BMD, okay, very fast, guys, just draw BMD here for this line. On this line, draw BMD. This is the loading. Draw BMD. This is A, B, C. This is A, B. On my diagram, draw BMD. Fast. Fast. Very good. This is going to be our BMD. Very good. Okay. Now see. I am giving you one concentrated moment here, 2 Newton meter. One concentrated moment here, 2 Newton meter. One concentrated moment here, 2 Newton meter. Okay. So here you have to draw 0 Newton SFD. And then you have to draw your BMD. So if this is your A, B, C, D, E, then we can split here. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C, this is your D, and this is your E. Okay. Draw BMD on my screen. Draw BMD on my screen. Fast. Draw like super fast. Super fast. Guys, very good Vedant. It is absolutely right. Okay, why? Let's understand. This side we don't have wall to offer any resistance, to offer any bending moment, right? So that's why from here to here we have no bending, and suddenly we have concentrated load. Because of that we will come down. Why down? Because it will produce what kind of effect? Hogging or sagging? Hogging or sagging? Guys, hogging. Okay, very good. So because of that we have to come down, and we will come down suddenly by 2 Newton meter, and we will try to go like this. But suddenly at this section we have bending moment like this. I mean concentrated moment like this. This moment will try to take the entire beam up like this. So it will cancel the hogging effect of the previous load. So here we got like this. So now this section, they all will experience 0. So 0. Why 0? Because this two will try to do like this, this two will try to do like this. So after that, until here, nothing. Then again this part, because this part is similar to this part. Again you come down and apply loading. Now again this kind of explanation, why this part we have to connect. Here we have some explanation why this part we have to connect, because when you will reach here, this much is the effect, like this line, all these lines are the effect experienced by the beam. But when you will connect this part and you will reach to the 0 Newton meter again, that here the bending moment offered by the wall, like this. So this is negative and this will be positive, so that's why you have to connect here and make it 0. Okay, I have a question here. Yes, this is also case of pure bending. You will be having pure bending until and unless you don't have shear stress. When you have zero shear stress, zero shear force, you have pure bending. Okay, now let's understand one mixed question. Bending means when you apply loading, beam will bend. This phenomena is bending. When you have beam like this, when you apply loading, beam will bend like this. So this phenomena is known as bending. So bending, this is what I explained in previous class, how shear force will act. You please watch the previous video, because again it will take again half an hour to explain how shear force will act. Did you finish the previous video, Pratik? Then in previous video I have explained how it is working, how the shear force is working. See, quickly I will try to explain quickly. See, if you have a beam like this and if you apply this kind of loading, so all these members will experience load downward. So suppose, imagine you want to analyze any cross section. So from this cross section you split the beam in two parts. Okay, now before this, I mean the right side, the entire beam will try to go downward. So this entire beam will try to go downward. So to stop this downward deflection, these molecules will apply force upward. So this phenomena is happening on the surface. So that's why shear force is coming into picture. But this case is not happening in case of pure bending. Here you can see we have point load. So that's why load is acting downward. But in case of pure bending, you don't have load at all. You have bending. You don't have load at all. So if you don't have load, the beam will not experience load. Load means the Newton I'm talking, not the Newton meter. I'm talking the Newton. In my previous example, I took Newton. In this example, this was Newton, not Newton meter. Pratik, somewhat clear? Very good. Very good. Okay. Now take this question. This is going to be the mixed question. Suppose here I am applying the load amount 2W. Here I am applying kind of concentrated moment. And what is the name of this kind of loading? Try to recall. What is the name of this kind of loading? Very good. Point load. Very good. So this is 3W, and then again suppose we have 2M. So see, when you have moment applied, automatically unit will be Newton meter, and you have load applied, automatically it will be Newton. Okay, when you have UVL UDL, that time it will be Newton per meter. But all types of units, all types of loadings will act on the beam. Okay, this is 2M. That is 2M. So what will come? What will come? Simple, one variable. M is representing moment here. Like W is representing weight here. M is representing moment here. Like M will be any amount. For example, 15 Newton meter. So here you have some 2M kind of loading. Okay. Now for this purpose, you have to draw SFD. This is your 0 Newton SFD line, and this is your 0 Newton meter BMD line. And just split lines like this is your free end, and this is your. I'm just projecting the points. Now in between, draw SFD and draw BMD. First draw on your page, and once you are confident, then draw on my screen. Do it fast. Four people are missing today. We should release some search warrant. 4 people are missing. Yes, Vedant, your SFD is absolutely correct. Can you label the diagram? Can you label the diagram, the height and... Very good. Correct. No, Vedant. Mistake. One mistake. Aniket, you are right. Yes, this bottom length is 1 because 2 is already here. पहले तो बेवफा Go ahead. Very good try, Vedant. Other student.